Hello, scholars, and welcome back. I just want to go over a few things with you so that you have a better understanding of what my expectations are for today. Make sure that you always complete the warm-up. This is how I check attendance. This is week 12. Today is Friday, November the 6th, and your warm-up will consist of poetry. After you've submitted your warm-up, you are going to plan, revise, edit, and publish a piece of opinion editorial writing by using brainstorming and English conventions, because in real life, you will need to be able to communicate effectively and concisely through your writing. You will do that by writing an opinion paragraph about a type of inequality that is a problem in our society and the possible solution for it. You should already be in your folder for today in Schoology. I want you to notice this last assignment. Go ahead and click on it. We have been working with Writable for all of our writing. Now you will have access to Writable through Schoology. All you will have to do is click on this blue text. So go ahead and click on the blue text like I am doing. And if this is your first time logging into Writable, it's going to ask you to log in. Make sure that you are using Pasadena ISD credentials. You are a student, therefore you will log in as a student. I will use this teacher account. Again, we're using Google. Click on that and choose your Pasadena ISD account. Writable will log you in. If you encounter this problem, don't worry about it. Just hit this continue button and it should redirect you to the assignment. Click on the assignment if you see the list. Now, maybe some of you will go directly into this page. You will click on this particular area for the assignment for today. Make sure that it is what's an issue that you think needs to be reformed and what is a possible solution. And once you click there, it will take you to the actual prompt. This is where you will do your writing on this area. Notice the blinking cursor right here. Okay, now let's take a look at your assignment. What's an issue that you think needs to be reformed and what's a possible solution? Answer all aspects of the prompt with complete sentences. Write an opinion editorial paragraph about something that needs to be reformed. An opinion editorial states your opinion on an issue and why it is an issue. Your goal for this paragraph will be to convince the reader, myself, that your issue is important and that your solution should be considered. So what's an issue that you think needs to be reformed and what's a possible solution? I encourage you to think about the inequalities that we've been talking about during class. For example, racial discrimination, gender gap, wages. Also consider the pandemic and socioeconomic status. Also, remember that a paragraph is between 3 to 5 sentences, complete sentences, and that you must use a topic sentence. Remember to also apply everything that we have learned during class. Your topic sentence is the fence around your thoughts. Make sure that it stays within the topic. Again, 3 to 5 sentences with a good, concise topic sentence. I look forward to reading all of your assignments. If you encounter any problems through Schoology, through Writable, make sure that you always click on that blue little link and it should be able to resolve the issue. If you have any questions, if there are any other issues, make sure that you send me a message and I'll be more than happy to help you.